All right, and here is, again, this is a part 2 of my weather video that I have been inspired to do by the News 9 chief meteorologist in Oklahoma City, David Payne. So with this look, we're going to look at the radar here and also the forecast, and then I will talk to you. I'll create another video to talk with you about what you can expect moving forward. So here's the radar, and you can see some showers here around the Ashtabula area, up in Ashtabula County, Lake County, Geauga County, then some heavier showers here just north of Akron in northern Summit County, and heading into southwestern Cuyahoga County into far northeastern Medina County, getting some showers. Another shower down here in southern Richland County, just east of Interstate 71. And then, of course, some showers, isolated pockets of storms back here west of the Sandusky area and southeast of the Toledo metro area. Now I'm going to click another radar site, and this is what we're watching. This right back in here. This is a cold front that is marching eastward. Now, is it going to be a major cold front? No. Yeah, you gotta love young people in my neighborhood here in Canton, Ohio, enjoying the warm summer-like day, and I apologize for that noise in the background. And so as I was saying, is this going to be a strong cold front? No. But it will bring slightly cooler temperatures, especially as we head into tonight. Low temperatures tonight dipping back into the 50s. And we had a really, really warm night last night. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s for overnight lows, and that felt pretty good. So this is what we're watching. This, if everything holds together, this could become a squall line of strong to severe thunderstorms as we head into the early evening hours. Now, is this going to take shape? Possibly. But you see here, you see this rain. I'm going to zoom in on my, since I'm recording this off of my iPhone. You see this over here? See the rain? This rain is definitely going to play into this. And let me show you why. Whenever you have rain out ahead of a potential squall line of storms, that's what that causes is this area out here. You can see some heavier rain around Lima and down to just northwest of Dayton. So Montgomery County looks to be dry right now, and then Allen County out here in Lima, and then Mercer County out here in Salina getting hit with some heavy rain. But what this is going to do out here, and I apologize for our bird clock in the background, and so what this is going to do here, this I think is going to stabilize this line of storms from going severe, because this is going to be rain cold air back here, and I don't think this line of storms is going to get going. Now I'm going to switch views here and go to the composite line. Yeah, things aren't really going much, and here's a look at our velocity signatures, and we're not seeing anything. And there's the rainfall total, and yeah, these are going to produce some heavy rain. This is going to produce, let's see here, this is going to be right around a ½ inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain. So that's definitely going to cause a problem. So we're going to go back east on my radar site, back here yeah, so really nothing going on. Nothing going home to write home about. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you my forecast really quick. And so you can see here on the forecast, showers likely, an 80% chance of rain today, and then tonight, low of 56. So it's going to be a smidge cooler than last night, 74 tomorrow. Tomorrow's looking excellent. So if you want to do some outdoor work, yeah, definitely do it. Next cold front comes through on Sunday. Temperatures in the 70s, and then cooling off towards, you see here, Monday only in the upper 60s, lows in the mid 50s, and then of course mid 60s coming your way on Tuesday. And real quick, I'm going to show you the severe weather outlook. And you can see here, we are in what's known as a slight risk right here. This is level 2 of 5. Yeah, level 2 of 5 for the slight risk. You can see an enhanced risk up here into upstate New York, heading into Vermont, as well as Massachusetts. They could get some tornadoes up there. Not expecting any tornadoes here in Ohio, which is a good thing. And then, of course, down here you can see a severe thunderstorm watch box for southern Oklahoma. A severe thunderstorm watch into effect, and we are in a discussion for a potential severe thunderstorm watch that has not been issued yet. But of course, the big one is down here in Oklahoma, and I'm going to pull up that watch for you. So yeah, you can see low threat of tornadoes, but mainly a severe wind and hail threat. Going to be right down here as these storms continue to track down towards southern Oklahoma. You can see here, just south of Oklahoma City, Cleveland County, McLean County, getting hit with some showers and storms right now. Down around the Moore area, the Norman area, as well east of Newcastle. And these storms sliding off to the south. They're basically going right down I-35. So if you live down I-35, if you're watching this in Oklahoma, if you're going down I-35 between Oklahoma City and, let's say, Ardmore up to Pauls Valley, I would not go down I-35. I just would not do it, just because these storms could produce some very large hail, potentially up to golf ball size or maybe even larger, as well as damaging straight-line wind gusts. And you definitely do not want to be going down the interstate with damaging winds. You just don't want to do it. Plus, very heavy rainfall as well. I'm going to zoom out my camera here just a little bit to give you a little bit better perspective. So yeah, so this is going to be I-35 down here. This is going to be I-44 down here, also known as the Harry E. Bailey Turnpike, the H.E. Bailey Turnpike that goes south out of Oklahoma City, and then goes all the way down to Wichita Falls, Texas. And fun fact, I was on the H.E. Bailey last year from just south of the Norman Spur. It's also known as the Southwest Spur that comes out of Norman and goes up to Mustang. I was on I-44 from that point all the way down to Burke-Burnett, Texas, this little over a year ago. And boy, that was definitely a lot of fun. So yeah, if you're watching this in Oklahoma, definitely watch out later today down here towards Altus, as well as Hobart. And then down here, right along the Red River border, including Wichita Falls and Burke-Burnett, definitely watch out for strong to severe storms later this afternoon into this evening. And yeah, and definitely out here, Hobart, Altus, Frederick. Of course, Frederick is in Tillman County. Altus, Hobart, the area up here, Washita County, and Kiowa, or excuse me, that would, I'm not totally familiar with memorizing every single county out here in southwestern Oklahoma, so just bear with me if you're watching this from Oklahoma. Excuse me. This would be Jackson and Kiowa counties, right out here. Jackson and Kiowa counties, and I'm almost positive that is correct. Right around here. Because this is I-44 down here. So yeah, this would be west of Caddo County, where Anadarko is, and then of course Indian City as well. So that's what's taking shape there, and I'm going to stop recording this since this is almost 10 minutes long, and I will be making a third video just talking with you about what I think in terms of severe weather for Sunday here in Ohio, if you're watching this anywhere in Ohio. But if you're also watching in Oklahoma, maybe you're wondering, hey, we've had a pretty rare spring so far in terms of tornadoes. I'll talk with you more about that here in just a moment. Peace out.